This is the old coffee setup. Okay. And we also have this dumb, great thing.
French press.
I mean, it's nice.
Better coffee than Mr. Coffee.
Yeah.
It's not very good. That's why we didn't finish it.
Yeah. There we go.
Breville will change our lives. Hopefully, every morning, one morning at a time.
Yeah.
Foam artists. Mastering the moment.
What's in here? How packed is it?
Okay.
What do you get in there?
I have this quick start guide. Instructions. Looks like quick start guide. Pictures. Instructions. Setting up. 1. Rinse it. Put it in a cup with water. Smush some things together. No word. Oh, here, there's words on the bottom. Yeah. I'm like, am I supposed
Yeah.
set date to 2 months ahead
2 months. What?
to replace something. The filter.
Oh. Okay.
Rinse, water, filter, and mesh. Place the filter into the holder. Set date 2 months. Install filter in the water tank. Fill tank and lock in place.
It has a calendar in it, or do we just
No,
do
I
that
think
on
maybe
our own
we
calendar?
set our own calendar, I
Okay.
assume. Install and lock the hopper. Okay, let's open it.
Well, okay, yeah. Let's just open it.
Very thick instructional manual.
It's a
That I'm not gonna
serious
read.
literature.
Literature that I'm not going to read now. Ooh. Okay.
What's
This is the basket.
Look at it.
Comes,
Yeah, that thing pops off.
comes with the portafilter in there. Comes with the cleaning kit.
Ooh.
Um,
What's in the cleaning kit?
cleaning kit.
Do we get brushes? Little tube brushes?
The cleaning kit has. Oh, okay. Oh, maybe that's the stopper. Has a little brush. Little tiny thing that I don't know what it's for.
Is that for poking the... Is that one of those wire things for sieving out the espresso pour?
I don't know what this is for.
I don't know what that is either.
This will require reading that giant book.
This is that thing that I didn't know had a magnet at the end of it.
That's the tamper.
The tamper. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, espresso cleaning machine tablets.
So you get some tablets.
That we will be using in 2 months,
Okay.
according to our timer.
What's the razor?
The razor.
Precision... something. Precision dose trimming tool for the 54 millimeter filter baskets.
So that's like wipes off the top. The array of baskets.
Yes.
I trust that they're in there. They are. Okay.
Let's get to the prize.
Okay.
You know?
Oh, we must lift it all out.
Oh, it's a whole thing.
Styrofoam came in. Here's the hopper, the grinder, the beans.
This is the which one is this? This is the
hopper.
Express.
This is the Express.
Breville Express.
Not the Express Impress. Just the pure Express. The difference is the Express Press, whatever, the other one, had like an automatic tamper. So you couldn't tamp it manually, but I wanted to tamp it manually. So
Yeah.
I got this one.
Yeah.
This is a cute little comes with a container to steam your milk.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. High quality. Nice weight, not heavy, not too light. Here's the descaler, so you can clean off your wand and anything else that has some mineral deposit scaling going on. Looks like we will take the plastic off for the shiny new machine. Tray come out. Okay.
Yeah. There's the gem. Our shining new kitchen gemstone.
Yes. It's the gem of the kitchen. Part of the morning. Like this is where we put our portafilters.
Right, this one has this storage tray.
Storage tray. Nice. This is metal. Okay, let's put our. So
here's the basket.
Comes with the baskets.
What is it? Do they label?
I'm not missing. I'm in the portafilter. And that's the one
really
it comes
user-friendly
with.
packaging.
Yeah, that's
nice.
the double shot. That's the one we will be predominantly using.
Some of them are double wall. What makes them a double wall again? Use pre-ground coffee.
Yeah, so if you're not going to freshly grind your coffee, use these, I guess. And they make kind of like an artificial foam, I guess. That's what other people say.
It's all about the crema or something.
The crema, yeah. So these go in here. That's really nice because I would probably lose those.
Oh, yeah.
That wasn't like that. Okay. Then this tray is with the coffee grind separator. Okay, so it's like a filter thing.
This is, where it catches all the junk.
All the drips.
It's a big drip tray, too.
Yeah, it's nice.
Look at the wand. There's the wand.
The wand. Okay, let's plug it in.
Ooh.
Oh, let's fill the back with water. Or maybe should we read some instructions?
Maybe we should read some instructions.
Oh yeah. Okay, so.
Yeah, we got to find the filter and we got to soak it for 5 minutes.
Oh, that filter I think is back here.
The filter's back there. Looks like a little tiny thing. I don't know. There's a bunch of stuff in the water tank.
Okay. In the water tank is do not do something.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Oh,
I don't know.
Similar instructions.
Oh, whoa.
Install the water filter.
In case you forget.
What does it all mean? Okay, so this looks very much like one of those pictures.
Somewhere? Oh, yeah.
That's
the
this.
filter's within this thing. Maybe. Yeah, that's like the filter holder.
Okay, so you squeeze it.
Oh, sorry.
And
do
this
that again.
comes out.
Okay, that holds the filter.
That apparently holds the filter. Oh, it does.
Oh,
have
that's the
replacement.
time thing. There's
Set it to what?
It's a manual calendar date. 12. Got to set it to 12. You got to line it up to there should be an arrow on there. Oh, there it is. Yeah, how do you twist it?
I don't know. Come on to that later. So it was kind of hard to twist, so I just kind of pinched it from both sides and then turned it.
Okay.
So I guess 12. What is that?
12 months or something.
No, but it said 2 months.
12.
Set date 2 months ahead.
Yeah, it's confusing. Why is 12 2?
Why is 12 2 months ahead? Oh, maybe because, okay, so let's say, well, what is the month? It is 12.
It's the 12th. It happens to be the
12th
12th month.
So we'll go to 2.
Okay.
1, 2.
That's confusing,
So
I guess.
January, February, we will change it in February.
Yeah.
Filter. Before installation, soak for 5 minutes. Rinse for 30 seconds. Very important. Replace every 2 months or 60 tank refills.
Whoa, we got to keep track of the tank refills.
Okay, we're going to soak it for 5 minutes.
There's our filter.
In this metal thing.
Hold on.
Or should we soak it in plastic? Doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. Soak it in. That's what that thing's for.
We'll set a timer. Soak the filter for 5 minutes. Here's the tank.
Dirty dishes.
Clean water. Okay, so we're at max 2,000.
2,000 what? Units.
Units. We don't really know. Oh, here. Okay, so keep water away from the grinder. Do not put water in the grinder, whatever you do.
Well, don't we have to wash the grinder sometime?
Yes, but you will make sure that it dries completely.
You don't want to run wet beans through the...
Do not put wet beans in here.
Yeah.
But you can clean this. It suggests to clean this often, but make sure it's all the way dry before you attach it to back to the machine. Let's see. Stickers off. Or, well, we'll wait to put this on there because we have to put the filter. We don't want to put the unfiltered water. I think once you put it on, it like goes into the machine. Okay, so install the filter into
There's
the
the grinder.
water.
Oh, don't we set this? We can set this thing, but we'll leave that alone.
We'll leave that alone.
Okay.
That's what, remember that lady on YouTube? She was like,
That other
do
YouTube
this.
lady.
Don't do. We watched some other YouTube videos before we bought this machine, and they were pretty helpful. Turn to lock. Huh. Okay, so you put this here, and then turn to lock.
Oh.
Sounded like it locked.
Does it unlock? Can you... Oh, it's super easy. Okay. Okay.
And we'll cover it up so no water gets inside. What's this? Uh-oh.
That's that danger
Don't.
unit. I think that's where you put the basket into. What is that thing?
It says do not put...
But don't put it into
Don't put it in
Don't
here.
put it on the basket,
What
and
is it?
don't put it when it looks like it goes on the basket, but then when it's on the
Maybe
basket,
it's
you
for
don't want to put it
cleaning
in
it?
the thing.
Oh, you know what it's for?
What's it for? What is that
To
thing?
get the beans in here without it falling all over the place.
Really? That makes sense, I
I'm
guess.
just guessing.
It's probably in that big book. God.
I know, I don't want to read that book, but I think we should.
Yeah.
But I
I
assume
don't want to
that
break the thing.
Maybe it's like, no.
No, that's not what that does. I think it goes on there for some reason.
No, it says do
It says,
not.
but don't put it on there.
Don't put it on there.
Why can't
Do
it? Why does
not.
it fit in there though?
It doesn't.
No,
Says don't.
this thing locks into here.
No.
But I don't think the basket
it says
goes on.
don't do it.
Not while it's on the basket.
No, it just says don't do it.
I don't. This is confusing.
Maybe this is for cleaning.
I don't know what it's
Oh,
for.
the filter.
It's been 5 minutes. Put the
Okay.
filter in the thing.
Put the filter in here.
Back to the filter.
Back to the filter. So
Uh.
we take the filter out of the water, soaked for 5 minutes.
There's it
Let's
soaking
see
wet.
all the way soaked yet.
We could give it longer.
Let's give it a little longer.
Okay.
But okay, so then we stick it in here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we put this on top.
Where the hell does that thing go?
This?
Yeah.
'Cause we-
But where does it go? On the
Oh, it goes
machine.
in the water tank, I think.
Just sits in there? Does it lock in there somewhere?
It says
Just shove it in there. Gotcha.
Install filter in water tank. Okay,
We already put all the water in there.
Yeah, we might not. We weren't supposed to do that yet.
Uh-oh. Okay, you put it in there.
Maybe we should take the water out.
Yeah, I mean,
We weren't supposed to put water in there yet.
pour the water out of there.
Okay. We'll follow the instructions.
Yeah.
Sorry, I got so excited. I jumped ahead. Okay. So, it didn't say which direction or anything. It just says...
Fill tank and lock. Yeah, first and put the filter in.
Yeah, okay. Install. It didn't say what direction. So we'll just...
Hopefully it would only lock in going one direction.
Seems fine in both directions. And it doesn't give any...
Does it close?
Oh my god. Slippery when wet. Yeah, it closes.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, now we put water in it.
Yeah,
Okay,
that
we're
was...
putting this tank on. It is has a filter. Oh, I see. It's not a timer or anything. It's just like you look at it and you're like, oh, month. In the second month, you must change the filter. So you're just like, oh, it's another month. And this matches this month that I set it to, so it must need to filter change. Okay. What do we do now?
You gotta fill the hopper with beans.
Really?
That's number 7, I think.
Fill hopper with fresh beans. Oh, we're so close. Okay, plugging it in. Hopefully that outlet can.
But you're plugging it in?
Yeah.
Well, wait. You gotta put the beans in there first before you press power.
I am not gonna press power until the beans are in. So we got.
What did we get?
We got some Dead Man's Reach.
Yeah, it's
Whole
from
bean,
Tumwater, Washington.
Tumwater, Washington.
Not a sponsor, just
Not
a
sponsed,
great,
just
a great roast.
local Washington dark roast. Though all the kids like the light roast these days.
Mm.
And the lady at Williams-Sonoma said that it's better to put lighter roast in it. Well, let's get some scissors.
Look at this cute dog and his choo-choo.
Cutie, you have your choo-choo. You have your choo-choo.
Okay, we got the scissors. Fill hopper with fresh beans.
Fill it.
That seems filled.
Beautiful.
Okay. Power. Boom!
And then it says it does some stuff after you do that.
It says, power on. The pump starts. The machine heats. Wait for buttons to illuminate.
All the buttons?
I assume, yeah.
Yeah, it looks like all of them are lit
Yeah,
up.
all of them.
All buttons light up.
All buttons
So
must
that was
light
the
up.
pump just turned on. And now it's just heating up. It's got a lot of water to heat up.
And then we will press the coffee button to flush the group head.
Whatever that is.
This is the group head.
That's the group head. Okay.
Um.
Oh, they all lit up.
Oh my, that was so soon. Okay.
Whoa.
So press this coffee button to flush the group head.
Okay, what happens when the
then
group head flushes?
The group head will flush. I assume water will just come out of the situation over there.
Oh, that's what's happening. Some coffee. Nice flush.
Okay, and then it says run the steam wand for 10 seconds. And I think that is over here.
Oh, which side? Oh, right. It's got two settings, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you ran it to the steam. It's doing its thing.
Just squirting. It's definitely not steamy.
It takes a second, I think. It's probably where you're supposed to run it.
There it goes. Boom, 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 boom.
Whoa. Oh, that's looking like steam.
Okay, that's longer than 10 seconds.
That's
Okay.
good.
Sorry. Woo! Okay. We ran it for 10 seconds. Wasn't that about 10 seconds?
Yes, 10 seconds.
One more probably. Okay, so making espresso. Run hot water to preheat the basket filter, portafilter, and the cup. Okay, let's get a cup. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, we're gonna run the water
In the basket.
in here just to heat everything up. Then we're gonna get a cup. What cup should we choose for our first? Should we do this one that Jenny Hyde made?
Jenny made this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, she put a transfer on an
Oh, it's a
existing
transfer.
cup, and it
What's
has
it say
this.
on
It
there
says his head was found in a driver's wheel,
Oh, man. Jenny.
and then it has this specific kind of pine,
Chihuahua pine.
the Chihuahua pine. Yeah, I used to have a whole set of these, and I don't know what happened to them all. In the Pines, so they're all lyrics from that song, In the Pines, you know?
I don't think those are lyrics in that song.
They do. It is. In his head was found in the driver's wheel. Look it up.
Nope. but,
Look it up.
but okay.
That's not how it goes, but that's
That was a good song you sang. I like that.
Google it, Alan.
Mm.
That song's from In the Pines. Okay, so now we're putting water in the cup, it says. To heat the cup up, heat your...
So you can just pour, instead of putting coffee in
and
the basket,
heating
you
the
just are
cup.
running through water. Right, yeah.
I assume that's what I'm supposed to do.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Oh, no, it says do it with this.
Oh, right. This thing has a water thing. I think when
Oh,
you...
I did it wrong.
I think that's what this does
Oh,
over
I did it wrong.
here.
Okay.
The standby thing, if you just... I think this just chunks water on
this
through.
is what I was
This
supposed
is
to
the water
do.
heat up thing.
I did it wrong.
Okay, yeah.
Sorry.
And then there's just the knob when you're done, you just turn it off.
Okay. So those are
But
heating
I think
up.
probably what you did also heated it up.
Okay. I've dried it out. I set the grind to 5. Now I will push. We're warming our cup right up here. This is just kind of warm. We put hot water in there. Okay. What do we do? Okay,
You got to remember what it was like to work back at the coffee stand.
It's
You have
been
to...
over 15 years since I worked at the coffee stand, but it's all coming back to me. Okay. Push to grind the coffee.
Oh, I know this part. Here, just don't hold it there. Okay, just let it sit there and then leave it.
Oh no, we want a double.
You don't have to hold it in. Yeah, so here, I'll show you. If you hold it in, it'll continuously grind, but if you just put it in and tap it, then it'll automatically do it.
Cool.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, why would we not want a double? Where's the tamper? Put the magnetic tamper in there.
The razor.
And we gotta get the razor. Back to the
Okay.
razor here.
This is like a tool that I am not familiar with, but I think. Yeah, definitely. When I was a barista, we just used our hand. This is weird. Okay, and we wipe off the edges. We made a mess. We definitely need one of those basket things. Oh, we got this wet. Everything must be dry. Okay, we dried it. Then we tamp it. Okay.
Well, how tightly did you tamp that? Pretty good.
I did, not too much.
And then that thing,
I
yeah.
just trusted my muscle memory.
There you go.
I trusted my muscle memory. Okay. I'm gonna put it.
Gonna lock in.
Lock it in. And then we.
Well, we want this
press.
cup.
So we want a double shot. Start extraction. This is the most exciting part. Okay, ready? And we're gonna time it.
Oh, yeah.
Where's my phone?
I don't know. I just heard it. It's under some stuff. It's right here.
Okay. We'll set a timer.
Oh, and you gotta watch it has this nice pressure gauge.
Yeah, it's supposed to be in this dark zone.
Right.
Watch me figure out how to use my phone.
How,
Okay.
how many iPhones does it take to make an espresso?
Okay. Here we go. Clock and stopwatch. Okay. We're gonna press start. Because we want
Oh, yeah. Keep that thing in line. Yeah.
We want our shot to be, ideally, whatever, it's 25 to 30 seconds.
And we want to stay in the mid-range.
Pressure is not...
It's going to take us... It has to pressurize. Pressure doesn't come from nowhere. There it goes.
Ooh,
Ooh, we're on the high range.
In the high range. Ooh, okay. It's trying. It's trying hard. It's running long. I might have tamped it too hard.
This is a long pull.
This is too long.
This is a really long
It's
pull.
way too long.
45
44,
seconds.
that's-
What?
Not ideal.
What's it taste like? Give me a sip of that thing. Don't let that get... What's going to go? I'm going to taste this.
Okay.
You got to taste this. I'm going to taste it. Ooh, yeah, that's not what we want. It's not bad,
It's not bad.
but it's
a little bitter.
strong. It's a little bitter.
A little bitter. Okay, so we're gonna try it again.
What are we going to do different this time? Well, we got to clear the group head, right? Again, you got to get that espresso out of there.
Cleaning the group head.
I'm going to clean the group head.
We're gonna get this coffee out of here. We need to.
We got to change the grind. I think we got to change the grind. Do you think if there's too much pressure,
Well, the
and it
grind
was packed too tight, and the
is
grind was too
thin.
too small, so we need a...
But what I think I did is I put too much coffee in here
Oh, you think you put too much coffee in?
because I pushed the button to begin with, and then I remember, and then I
Yeah,
went in
but
there,
you
and
also
then
scraped a lot off too.
we'll do a combination of both. It will change the grind to 4.
4. Wait, that's tighter.
No.
Or
10
no.
is small.
10 is small. Okay.
Coarser.
Coarse.
is 4. Okay. Yeah, very bitter. Too bitter.
Yeah, you want a sweeter espresso shot than that, I feel like.
Definitely need one of those things. One of those coffee things. Okay. Where's the razor?
don't think you need to. What is that? I don't think we're using the razor thing right.
Yeah, we are.
Precision dose trimming tool. Yeah, so it's got like a seated blade. So that's how
Okay.
deep it's supposed to be. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
apparently, but I.
Wait, so let me how much that's about where you hold on.
So there's nothing.
Okay, interesting.
Maybe. Okay, so we want to wipe the little edges off. Make sure there's no crumbs. Okay, we're gonna try it again. In the pines. Okay. Okay. Oh.
A little higher,
Oh,
but that's
hi.
okay. It still looks nice.
Still looks really beautiful.
That's okay. That's a good pressure range. It's in the blue. It looks beautiful.
And we're at 35-second shot. That's pretty.
35 seconds?
Yeah. That's
Nice.
That's
Wait,
pretty-
what's it look like?
It looks.
That's beautiful. Hold on, wait. Gotta focus. Oh yeah, lovely. Okay. How's it taste, Corey?
It's hot. It's the best one.
Nice.
It's so smooth. You gotta try.
What is that on? Is that on 3
This
still?
is on 3. It's on 3.
That is the best
It's
one.
so good.
Oh, that's the best one by a large margin.
By a large margin.
Look at that cream too. Look at that crema. Oh my goodness. Oh.
It's perfectly smooth.
Hi, Bee. Are you okay? You're okay.
I don't even need milk.
You don't even
B.
Bee. You want some coffee? Oh, Beaver. Your ears are hurting.
Whoa. Whoa.
I know. Do you want to go outside? Do you need to go outside? Okay, let's go outside. Come on. There you go.
You have to summarize.
Okay, so
What have you learned? What have we learned?
that when you first get your Breville Espresso machine maker, your heart will be filled with joy. But there will be some learning. You gotta adjust things. Some hither and thither. But we got it in a cup. And how many times did it take?
I think we just did like
5.
we did more than that. We did
6.
like 10. We did like 8 or 10.
8 or 10?
We pulled so many shots just now. Yeah.
Well, we did a lot. It took a lot. You're
Yep.
gonna waste some coffee to begin with. But it really isn't that much coffee. Like, there's still a bunch of coffee in the hopper.
Yeah, it's an efficient use of coffee, more so than the coffee pot.
More so than the coffee pot. And even the worst shots that we got from this machine tasted better than our Mr. Coffee maker. Which is
I mean,
the moral of the story.
I mean, I'm grateful for the coffee that the Mr. Coffee
Yes.
gave us.
I,
And he has a place in my heart,
yeah.
but
But you know,
it's a different ball game now.
now we're
Yeah.
a very new stage in our lives. We really just need espresso in the kitchen every morning.
Great stuff.